Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving away a set of the RayNeo Air 4 Pro Limited Justice Editions. Now, they are in this box, so whoever does win the competition is going to pick those up. But to see them up close, these are the devices right here. Now, they do come with this nice little stand, as well as this really cool box that I actually keep to organize my glasses, but they also come with a special carrying case with some Batman emblems on it to just hold the glasses, as well as the cable. Now, they do come with a removable faceplate, and this is totally blackout, so you can see the screen very well, but there's also some little sound tubes on here. Now, I was hesitant about the sound tubes because it's a little bit weird and I felt like it was gimmicky, but they actually make a pretty big difference on getting that sound to your ear. So highly recommend using those. But these glasses are pretty amazing. We're going to roll that intro. We'll talk about how you can enter. We'll talk about what the glasses are, and we'll get it rolling. This really is just designed to say thank you to everybody for being a part of the channel, as well as to celebrate spring break. The goal is to hit that 2,000 subscriber milestone. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, definitely hit that button. But let's go ahead and roll that intro and jump into talking about what exactly these glasses are. Before we move too much further, I did want to mention that this is not a sponsored video. RayNeo is not a part of this giveaway directly. I did pick these up, and I wanted to give back to the community a little bit because you guys have helped me out by being so supportive. So I did pick these up on launch day, and I've just been kind of holding on to them until I had the opportunity to give them away, and they've been kind of burning a hole in my pocket, I guess, and I wanted to hold off until the 2,000 subscriber milestone, but it looks like that's a little bit further off, so I figured we would kickstart it with this giveaway. If you don't win this one, don't be too discouraged. We do have that 2,000 subscriber giveaway coming up soon, so hopefully this video can help push us over to the top, but there are some pretty amazing prizes in that one. So let's just jump into what exactly the RayNeo Air 4 Pro, specifically the Justice Edition, is. All right, so here's the web page. Now, it's going to start at $269 for the Air 4 Pro Limited Justice Edition. And basically, it's a collaboration with DC and RayNeo. We've talked about it a couple times on the channel. I actually ended up making my own Batman edition RayNeo glasses. So you see, I ended up taking some apart and throwing them in this one. That's another video on the channel if you want to check that out. But definitely jump over there if that's of interest to you. I did do a teardown of the glasses and throw them in there. So that one's pretty fun. I enjoyed making that video. But there's essentially two limited editions, right? There's the Joker version, or the Chaos, and then there's the Batman version, which is the Justice. And so DC, I guess, worked with RayNeo to sort of develop this and make sure that it still stayed true to the brand, as well as, you know, not change the glasses too much. So it still has all those same specs and highlights of the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. So it does have this Vision 4000 chip, which enables that HDR10 video capability, and it does have audio still by Bang & Olufsen. So the speakers sound great, and the addition of those sound tubes, like I touched on before, is definitely amazing. And here's sort of what all comes in the box. And so it does have the glasses themselves, as well as the case that we talked about, and these ones do come with the prescription insert, just the demo unit, so you can bring that to an optometrist if your optometrist will work with them. Mine personally would not, but there are cheap versions on AliExpress, and I believe Lensology is the official partner of RayNeo for it. But it does come with the stand, which I just kind of keep the lens shade on all the time. And the box is really honestly pretty awesome. Matter of fact, why don't we check out the unboxing that I'm pretty sure I recorded. So I'm going to drop it in here and we'll come back. Got a super easy pull tab to really get into the box. And when you open it up, you're greeted with the Batman emblem, which I think is a nice touch if you're a super nerd like I am. And you can just pull it out, and there is the box. Now, I don't know what it is about this box. I really like it. Hopefully whoever wins this will appreciate it as well. But I think it's one of my favorite unboxing experiences to date. You just lift up the top. It falls open for you, kind of displaying itself. There is some Gotham imagery in the background, and of course it's got the Batman RayNeo symbol on there. That's awesome. I do wish I had the bat symbol on both sides, but I get the need for the RayNeo symbol.
So it does come with a normal lens shade, which is good. That way, if you don't want to wear this one, you can look a little less crazy.
Now, I personally look a little goofy when I wear it, but I could see maybe if you had a smaller face, it would look good on you. So I'll probably keep mine on this stand. And this is a pretty hefty feeling stand, and I like that it has the Batman symbol at the bottom.
Nose piece. And the sound tube. I haven't tried this before, so I'm excited to give it a shot. Interesting. Looks like 2 different sizes in case your ears are different. Dental prescription insert. Let's check this. Airflow Pro, microfiber cloth, quick start guide. Alright. Now this goes on to here as just sort of a stand. Or looks like you pop off the other one and put on a shot.
All right, we're going to keep this one pretty short and sweet. Basically, these glasses are a giant screen that fits in your pocket. They are probably the best entry-level display glasses on the market. Now, I would say without the launch prices, they are a little bit on the more expensive side, but you can definitely get a 10% off discount if you use code Informal Tech. It does support the channel. That's honestly what enabled us to be able to pick these up and enabled us to pick up some other glasses that we're going to be reviewing here in the near future. So definitely thank you to everybody who's used that code, and thank you to everybody who's going to use it in the future. Definitely appreciate you guys. If you want to see a little bit more of an in-depth look at the Air 4 Pro, definitely check out that video on the channel. I put it out right on launch day, so it definitely dives into a little bit more of that information about the glasses themselves, as well as specs and things of that nature. But this video is really just to celebrate spring break and to celebrate you guys, give back a little bit. So definitely appreciate everybody for sticking around as long as you have. The official rules for the giveaway are in the description section of the video. Unfortunately, it is going to be limited to US residents only. Last time one of our winners actually was outside of the US. I guess they didn't read the rules, but I tried to help them out until I got to UPS and they wanted $200 to ship it to them. So unfortunately for that person, I definitely was not able to send those out. But if you're in the US and you want to pick up a pair of these and you want to win a pair of them from the channel, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Look for the rules for entry. You do have to be 18 and up, all that jazz. But really all I want to hear is who is the best Batman villain and why. So let me know in the comment section. Definitely appreciate everybody being here again. We have some really cool videos coming up soon. I'm going to be reviewing the Viture Beast whenever I get them, as well as the Bleak Up Rangers. These are smart glasses that are made to be an action cam on your face. Definitely first initial tests are pretty awesome. The big thing for me is that these record in landscape mode at 1080p and they can record as long as you have batteries. So the last video during my testing, I was able to get a little bit over an hour-long video of me playing some disc golf and driving around. So excited to show you guys these ones. Definitely stick around, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, my name is Connor. This is where the Informal Tech Reviews live, and we'll see you then. Peace.